5 stores, P-ZERO World in the world. They're located in Dubai, Los Angeles, Munich, Monaco, and of course Melbourne. Basically what it means, it's Pirelli's reference point for the brand.
You are hand selected to be the best of the best to wear this name on the store walls. So our customer philosophy here is that we aim to provide the best possible service and give the customer the best possible knowledge so that they leave here knowing more about tyres than they did before. So we place a strong emphasis on education. It might be small differences, but educating the customers so that they're more aware and they get the most optimal performance out of their vehicle and enjoyment out of their drive as well.
So the layout of the workshop is generally set out in a way that we have 4 fitting bays. Obviously they're labelled from bay 1 to bay 4. Bay 1 and 2 are generally focused around the prestige clientele, so obviously offering diagnostic, fitting and balancing. With our specialised machines, we're focused around that area. And then we also have our general premium fitting and balancing located in 3 and 4.
So the diagnostic equipment that we have in bay 1 and 2 are basically tools that allow us to match the wheels and tyres in the most optimal way, so to reduce total run out, which results in a smoother drive and a better drive as well for the end user. And it also ensures that when we fit the wheels up, that we do not mark them at all and they are left pristine in the way that they were when they came from the factory.
We use Corghi. Specifically in bays 1 and 2 we have the Uniformity, which is sort of the hero machine of the range. It has the capability of diagnosing if there is an imperfection in your wheel, an imperfection of your tyre. It's got a big roller that will come onto the tyre once it's fitted on the wheel and simulate the force of the actual road on that wheel, simulating what it's like when it's being driven on, and it'll work out the most optimal position for that tyre to be placed on that wheel to ensure that there is no unnecessary vibrations on that wheel. Further that, we've got the Master Jolly, which is sort of like your volume machine, which is very quick, 90 seconds on, 90 seconds off, demounting and refitting the tyre, but doing it in a manner that's no levers and no metal-to-metal contact, so there's no scratching. And then you have the iLight, which is your diagnostic balancer, which essentially uses a camera, takes a photo of the wheel, scans the wheel, gets its dimensions, and scans it for any further imperfections after that as well, to ensure that we can balance it, or if there's any issues that we need to flag with the client, we can let them know as well. That sort of equipment, if your front of house looks amazing, your back of house needs to back it up to suit to ensure that everything's consistent and uniform.
I'd tell another tyre service owner to invest in Corghi because the quality of machinery is bar none, and the accuracy that these machines provide you is to a T, and we've rectified a lot of problems we wouldn't have been able to rectify before, particularly with the diagnostic balancing. And also life has become a lot easier fitting super low profile run flats, which used to be major headaches and very, very stressful to fit. And now we don't have to worry because it's on and off 90 seconds.
And the support is always there should you have any issues as well.